What's up, guys? Here we are with the GTO again. Right now I am putting in some trans fluid into this thing. Hopefully it should be basically a running and driving car at this point. I just have to, like I said, add a little bit of trans fluid left. I got like 2.5 quarts in. I just got to put a little bit more in there still, and then after that it's completely running and driving. I bled all the brakes yesterday. I got some coolant in it. Basically I had it running and warmed up actually, and it was running just fine and seemed to be doing okay. So I'm gonna put some trans fluid in this thing right now, and then after that maybe we'll drive it around the lot here a little bit and see how it goes. We're running some Motul 300 7590. There should be some pretty good stuff for this thing. I think it's starting to come out of the fill plug, so I think we're basically full. Yep. All right. All right, I'm about to get all these tools cleaned up, and then we're gonna get in it and see if we could actually get this thing to move, see if it stops. It should stop. Like I said, I already bled all the brakes, so we should be in business. All right, guys, we're sitting in the GTO. We got brakes. We have a clutch, I believe. So let's try this out. See if this thing will move. Well, we got reverse. Oh, that's so weird. Driving a right-hand drive car. Brakes need to be bled a little better. They're a little weak. Right now we are running with just, oh my gosh, it's so weird with the thing on this side. It's really tight in this car. I think it would be a lot more room if this was a left-hand drive. This is as far as back as the seat goes. It's like, maybe if the airbag was cut off, it would be a little better too. But pretty cool still. Does the seat go down? Barely. That's cool. Really, really cool.